In this video, I want to show you the Add Gutter feature of the Mega Pack and how you can utilize it. So the first things first, if you go onto KDP's website, you'll see here there's various guidance for different margins and inside gutter margins. So what a gutter or an inside margin basically does is, as the book gets thicker, so more pages, the inside of the gutter margin is larger, and that's to prevent your content sort of getting sucked in to the inside of the book, as it were. So this feature will allow you to add a gutter margin to either a PDF file, so that's from Canva, Affinity Designer, Photoshop, or wherever, or to an open office presentation, or to a PowerPoint presentation. Now, it's worth noting before you utilize this feature that it will not shrink your content. It will simply move your content outwards. So obviously on KDP, page 1 is on the right hand side of the book, so it'll move the content to the right, page 2, and it'll move the content to the left, and then that repeats throughout the book. So for example, if you've created your interior already, and then you've added 0.75 inches margin on either side, if you then utilize this feature and you put in 0.25 here, what that would mean is that your inside margin would then increase from 0.75 to 1 inch, and then your outside margin would decrease from 0.75 to half an inch. So if I just show you this now, I've got a couple of files already. So I've got my anxiety log here. This is a PowerPoint file. Click open, choose my gutter size in inches, and then I'm going to save this as anxiety log with gutter. Hit OK, and then if I open that up, and then if I also open up my original one here, and then I'm going to switch between the two, as you can see, that page is the first page on the right, so it's moved the content to the right. Second page to the left, and this is in comparison to the original. As you can see, it's not made the content any smaller, it's just moved it outwards to allow you to have a bigger inside or gutter margin. And this is the same all throughout the interior also. I just close these, and then what I'm going to do, I'm going to go back in, and then this time I'm going to add a gutter, and this time I'm going to do it on a PDF file here. So I'm going to show meeting notes, PDF, 100 pages. Again, I just do 0.25 on there, and then I save as meeting notes with gutter, save, hit OK, and then that's done. So let's open that. And then let's also open the original as well. So here you can see the original is all straight down the middle with equal margins. And then after I've run the add gutter feature, you can see now that it's moved to either the left or the right side. So page 1's on the right side, so it's moved outwards, and then page 2 is on the left side, it's moved outwards. 3 on the right side, so outwards to the right, and then this is repeated all throughout your interior. So if you are going to utilize this feature, what I recommend you do is then you create your interiors bearing in mind that this feature will just move your content outwards. So as I mentioned earlier, if you had a 0.75 margin on either side, put in 0.25 inches for the gutter would then increase your inside margin to 1 inch, but then it would decrease your outside margin to 0.5 inch. So bear that in mind, and also do reference the KDP website here, which tells you the minimum margin size by page count, and has different inside outside margins. So I hope this quick video helps you get started. Thank you for watching.